All right, it's day one and we're gonna dive right into what does invite mean. When we first started as coaches, we thought, oh, invite. That's like a lot of invites. That means we have to invite like nonstop all the time with everyone we meet. Well, we then learned what really invite means. It's 3 invites for a reason. The first invite means invite people to be your friend. Reconnect with people from high school, people from college, people from work. Reconnect with people, see how they're doing, and be friends with people. Invite people to be your friend. Even new people, even people you see at the supermarket. Be like, hey, how are you doing? That's great. Number 2, the second invite, is then after you're reconnecting, after you're getting to know them for a while, right? Then you're going to invite them to a challenge group or invite them to do something with Beachbody, a supplement, or Shakeology. You're going to invite them to change because you're going to get to know them more and realize there's something in their life that Beachbody can help them with. Then the third thing is to invite them, just like you were invited, to be a coach, whether it's a hobby coach, a business coach, or someone who just wants a discount. You're inviting other people to take that next step to the next level of changing their lives. That's what invite means. Taking those people on that journey with you, inviting them, reconnecting with them, having them be in challenge groups, whether they're free or during the full month challenge groups that you've been in before, and then invite them to be a coach. So that's what it really means.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's one of those things where, again, when some of my early invites were horrible. They were just horrific because I would invite somebody. I would just send out a random invite to say, hey, do you want to join a challenge group? And it was like somebody I hadn't talked to for 15 years. And then, if I did get an answer back, they'd say, oh, hey, Nick, how you doing? How's life been treating you? Or they'd just say, no, I'm not interested. It just puts people off to think it just looks like you're trying to sell something. And at the end of the day, you have to remember there's a process involved that we're going to talk about this week to not scare people away, because really we have good intentions. We always have good intentions. It's not that I had bad intentions with that person or I just wanted to sell them something. I really wanted to help them because honestly, Beachbody products and supplements have helped me so much. And so all I wanted to do was help them, but I didn't know how to do it. So instead I just randomly vomited a bunch of inviting and, oh, hey, there's this sale. Hey, this is cool. You need to check this out. I would just throw all this stuff out there. And I didn't even know if they were interested. I didn't know what their goals were. I didn't know what they were doing in life. I had no idea what was going on. So again, at the very first, don't make that mistake that we made. Don't just randomly guess what people need. Talk to them, get to know them. Find out what their needs are before you ever even talk about a Beachbody product or program at all. That's much later in the conversation.
And then also, again, don't give them too much. The best thing that a coach can do, and again, this is what people love, is you ask them questions. Just like Nick was saying, you ask them what's going on in their lives. You don't say, hey, how's it going? Good, how's it you? Well, this is what I'm doing. And you just give them nonstop what we call word vomit. Don't do it. Ask them questions. Be more interested in them and figure out what's going on in their lives and see if Beachbody can help them. It may not help them. So you're not going to invite them. You're just reconnecting with them. And then later on, when they're watching you more, they're like, oh, she's being this consistent coach or he's being this great coach. I'm going to hook up with that. And that happens a lot that we now, after we've done this for a while, have seen people that we may have reconnected with, didn't even invite them to Beachbody, but then they came to us and say, oh, I want what you're doing. Again, as a coach, you want to invite with friendship, forming people. We're going to learn about that today as well. Form people and then invite and share. And if they say no, that's fine because it's a not right now. Because everyone does need what Beachbody has to offer. If you have any questions, let us know.
Post below.
And then we're going to give you more information of how to invite later on this week.
All right, talk to you next time.
Bye-bye.